So welcome to another lecture of our automata playlist. Today we will learn to construct DFAs according to languages. So first we will construct a DFA that accepts all strings containing A. So if there is A in a string, then it will be accepted. So the language set is A and B. The language can be, or the string can be, any combination made by A and B. So first we will write the smallest possible string. This is A. Okay, so A is accepted, and there can be AA, AAA, BA, AB, BBA, BAB, any combination of A and B, but it should be containing an A. So first we will just make the minimal thing, that is the starting state or initial state Q0, and from that it receives A and goes to Q1, which is accepting state. So this is the minimum automata. Now for the rest of the parts we will modify it. So from Q0, if it receives A, it will go to Q1. But what if it receives B? So we can make it directly from Q0 to Q1, that if it receives B, it will go to Q1. It will not be okay, because then only string B will also be accepted. But according to our question, this should not be accepted. So we can also make it to a trap state. So if we make it to a trap state, then the string BA will also go to the trap state. Okay, so only when we get first B, it will go to the trap state, and no matter what we get after that, it will remain in the trap state. But our question, the automata should accept this type of strings. So we have to make the B as a self loop. So no matter how many numbers of B we get at the first, if we get one A after that, we will go to the accepting state. So we will make B as a self loop. And now let's check for Q1. So no matter what we get after getting a single A in our language or in our string, no matter what we get after that, it will always remain in the accepting state, because we have got already one A, and that's enough to get to the accepting state. Now whatever we get, it does not matter. So for all strings containing A, this will be the automata. Now let's check with another question. So all the strings that starts with A, so the string must be starting with A. Okay, so the minimum string is A again, and it can be AB, AA, ABA. Okay, any combination of A and B that starts with A. So first we will draw the minimum thing, that is Q0 to Q1, which this is A. So Q0 is the initial state and Q1 is the final state. So now for A, it goes to the Q1, but what will happen for B if the string starts with B? So now we can send it to Q1 with B, but it will not be just, because we do not accept a string that does not start with a A. So if it starts with a B, we will make it to a trap state, because if it starts with B, no matter whatever input it gets after B, it will remain in the trap state. It will never reach the final or accepting state. So we will send the B input to the trap state Q2, and to make it a trap state, we will give a self loop and do A and B for A and B transitions. And now for Q1, let's check. So if it starts with A, and afterwards whatever it gets, A, B or whatever combination, it does not matter. If it starts with A, then it will always be accepted by the automata. So we will make a self loop and give A and B. So now for the last thing, let's check which ends with A. So ends with A means the minimal thing is A, and it can be anything, but it should be end with A, that is BA, BAA, ABA. Okay, so it have to be end with A, no matter how it starts. We will first make the automata for the minimum string, that is Q0 is the initial state and Q1 is the final state, and one A goes from Q0 to Q1. So that is done for the minimal thing. Now let's check for the others. So for Q0, if it receives input A, then it goes to Q1. But what for input B? So for input B, there are again three options: to trap it, to send it to Q1 directly, and to make a self loop. So if you send it to Q1 directly, then this B string will also be accepted, but according to our question, it should not be accepted. And if we trap it for B, then it will for BA, this string will not also be accepted if we make it trap. Okay, so any string started with B will go to the type state, but our question does not requires it. Our question says it can be started with anything, but it has to end with a single A. So we will write the B as a self loop. Okay, so first it can receive whatever B or A it wants, and after that it will go to if it gets 1A, it will get to Q1, that is the accepting state. After reaching Q1, what will the inputs in Q1 state do? So if we make Q1 to Q0 again with an A, then it will not be accepted. So we have to give a self loop at Q1 which will receive A only, okay, not B. Because if it receives B, then a string with A, B will also be accepted in here. Okay, so we cannot give B here because it does not mention in our question. So we have to send the B to Q0 again. So it will accept a string which is like this, ABA. So the first A it will go to Q1, and for the B it will again go back to Q0, and for again A it will go back to Q1. Okay, so we will not put the B to the type states also. So we will just write like this. So this is a automata which will accept every string that ends with A. Hope you understand it.